In this question, it's asking to find the three nearest neighbor label for this new point. We are given the training set like this. So the goal is basically find the x that's closest to this. And the distance function is Manhattan distance, so it's basically x1 minus x1 plus x2 minus x2. So that notation is bad. Let's put a prime here. So this is x prime, and these are x. So what we do is find the distance between the new one and the first one. So it's 3 minus 1 plus 6 minus 1. So it's 2 plus 5 is 7. And similarly here is 3 minus 1 plus 6 minus 7 minus 6. So it's, since we have absolute value, so I just use the larger one to subtract the smaller one. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And do the same thing for this. This is 7, this is 3, this is also 3, and this should be 2 plus 2 is 4, and what's the last one? So 1 plus 1, this one's 2. So which ones are the closest? The 2 one is the single closest one, and there are 2 3s, so these two. So the 3 nearest neighbors are these, and if they vote, it's 1 and 1 against 0, so it's 1.